Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have any query then comment in comment box, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear visions. And जो आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है एडवांस मशीन लर्निंग स्पेशलाइजेशन। इस स्पेशलाइजेशन में 7 कोर्स हैं, एंड इन जितने भी ये 7 कोर्स हैं उन सब के हम क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। सॉल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट कोर्स इंट्रोडक्शन टू डीप लर्निंग, एंड दिस कोर्स हैव 5 week quiz answer, and this is a week 1 quiz answer of introduction to deep learning. And the question number first is this, and the answer is 0.60, and the question number second answer is 55. This the question answer is 55, and the third question answer is gradient descent is more scalable and can be applied for problems with high number of feature. Gradient descent does not require to invert a matrix. And the question number and sorry this week these linear models have only 3 quiz question. एक्चुअली जो मेरी जो असाइनमेंट थी कोर्सेरा की वो मैंने डायरेक्ट पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट कर लिया ताकि थोड़ी वीडियो थोड़ी शॉर्ट बन सके। एंड द दिस इज द वीक 1 क्विज आंसर ऑफ ओवरलिफ्टिंग एंड रेगुलाइजेशन, and the question number first answer is this: overlifting is situation, and part B, large model weight can indicate that model is overfitted. And the question number 2 answer is it can give biased quality estimates for small examples. It is sensitive to the particular split of the example into training and test part. And the question number third answer is K. And the question number fourth, this is the last question, and this answer is regularization restrict model complexity and weight penalty drives models. This is the week 1 solution of introduction to deep learning, and after this we are going to week 2 quiz solution of introduction to deep learning. And this is the quiz answer of week 2 introduction to deep learning, matrix derivative topic matrix derivative, week 2 quiz solution. And the first question is: a forward passed of a dense layer can be done with matrix product. You can write both passes of a dense layer with numpy and make it quick even in Python. And the question number 2 answer is 7, and the question number third answer is 2x की power t. This is the question number third answer, and this and the part B quiz multi-layer perception. This is a week 2 quiz answer, part B, introduction to deep learning. And the question number first is this, and the answer is we can train MLP with SGD and so on. And the question number second answer is this: sin x into y into expression x plus cos x into y into expression x. And the question number third answer is it is an efficient way to apply to chain rule. It is the way to train modern neural networks. And the question number fourth answer is big O of n. This is the week 2 quiz answer of introduction to deep learning. अब जो हमारा वीक 3 है उसके क्विज आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। दिस इज द वीक 3 सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू डीप लर्निंग, and please use my earphone for clear voice. Convolution and pooling. Question number first answer is convolution layer is a special case of connected layer, and convolution layer works the same way for every input patch. And the question number second answer is pooling layer provides translation invariance and pooling layer can reduce spatial dimension. And the question number third answer is, take say sum of gradients for each shared parameter. And the question number fourth answer is 3 into 3 plus 3 sorry 3 into 3 into 3 plus 1 into 10 plus 3 into 3 into 10 plus 1 into 20. And the question number fifth answer is n into k minus n plus 1. And this is the week 3 क्विज आंसर. एंड जो अब हमारा जो कोई वीक नंबर 4 है उसके क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. जो वीक 4 है, वीक 4 के जो दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ वर्ड एम्बेडिंग्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट आंसर इज, इट रिक्वायर्स सम टेक्स्ट corpora for training. And the question number second answer is, by learning to predict context, by learning to predict omitted, by minimizing cross entropy, by applying stochastic gradient descent. And the question number third answer is despair. And the question number fourth answer is cos v1 v2 and minus modulus v1 minus v2. And this is the week 4 quiz answer of introduction to deep learning. and जो अगला हमारा वीक है वो है वीक नंबर 5 इंट्रोडक्शन टू डीप लर्निंग क्विज आंसर. and this is the week 5 quiz solution of introduction to deep learning. and the question number first answer is, question number first answer is unconditional sequence generation. and the question number second answer is sequence translation. and the question number third answer is conditional sequence generation. and the question number fourth answer is, it is possible to train this model and to end without per training. and the question number and any CNN may be used to represent an image with a future vector. and the question number fifth answer is no. and this is the last answer of week 5 quiz answer. and the part B of week 5 is quiz modern RNN. and the first question is, answer is, exploding gradient problem is easy to detect. and the reason of the exploding gradient problem, this is the one question answer. and the question number second answer is, both non-linearity and recruiting weight matrix W and orthogonal initialization of the recurrent weight of weight matrix. and the question number third answer is, the LSTM needs 4 times more parameters than the simple RNN. and the exploding gradient problem is possible in LSTM on the way between STK minus 1 and ST. and the question number fourth answer is, reset gate is open and update gate is closed. and please यार subscribe कर देना channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. and the part 3 of week 5 answer is, this is the part 3 RNN and back propagation quiz answer of week 5. and the first question answer is yes. and the question number second answer is, y is a vector of length n yt and each element of yt is a number from 0 to 1. and the question number second and question number second question number second answer. and the question number third answer is, this is the question number third answer, you can see. and the question number fourth answer is, This is the question number fourth answer. RNN backup operation week 5 quiz answer. Introduction to deep learning. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. Thank you. एंड जो हमारी जो अगली वीडियो है उसमें हम कोर्स 2 के क्विज आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट में डाल दूंगा। थैंक यू।